Judge,
You don't interrupt me, Miss Coulter.
Hair and everything. I was denied access to the videos.
Miss Coulter, be quiet.
Wrong.
Be quiet. Don't speak.
Because they lied.
Be quiet, I said.
They lied.
I'm not lying. I said be quiet. You understand me?
They lied.
All right, I'm holding you in contempt, and you're going to be sentenced to jail for 10 days. Now, if you open up your mouth again, and you need to stay on topic here. All right? You're going to go to jail for 10 days right now. I'm going to have you tested by the probation department.
Okay, so...
And then we'll decide what's going to happen.
I already failed a drug test. They already did a mental health assessment when I got out on the terms of the first time I went out. Or I got out when I first originally got out.
Miss Coulter, you're disrupting this proceeding.
I promise you, I'm trying not to be like...
Attorney Dennis Kirk, are you Stevie Don Coulter? Yes. Pardon me? Yes, sir. All right, are you all right, Miss Coulter? I can't hear you. You have a really bad headache? Anything else wrong with you? All right. Well, we'll go ahead and have this pre-trial, but a couple of things I want to talk about after that. This was actually set for a hearing, I believe, for the defendant to enter in a plea for treatment in lieu of conviction, or at least have the hearing on that. I have a report from the probation department that she's been testing positive for gabapentin, marijuana, methamphetamine, and amphetamine. Hasn't reported since the 21st of September. Called on the 29th, said she didn't have a ride, wanted to be rescheduled, does not contact since then. Referred to Camp Talbot House for an assessment. There's been no contact there they've had from Talbot.
But I just have a question. Does it even test for gabapentin on a 10-panel drug test?
What's that now?
Does it test for a gabapentin on a 10-panel drug test?
Okay.
That's what
Miss Talbot, or Miss...
Because someone said that to me in the PO's office, and I'm a very intelligent person, and I know a lot, and I just look stuff up all the time. And I can't, it's hard for me to plea in lieu of, honestly, because of the things that I found in this. That's like kind of like, I don't know.
Miss Coulter, I'm going to have you drug tested here. Probation officers here. I'm going to have them drug test you. See.
I've never been in trouble. No, I just got beat the shit out of by a dude who left a bite mark on my arm, and my head hurts now because of it. Like, he beat me up until I was literally talking retarded. And in this statement from the police, from this one, it says, then I identified female Stevie Coulter, not Stevie Coulter identified herself after her social security number. So he arrested me based off of... Okay, well, that's not what we're here about here today, Miss Coulter.
It's clear that you're not in a situation...
But they lied also, though, Judge.
You don't interrupt me, Miss Coulter.
Hair and everything. I was denied access to the videos.
Miss Coulter, be quiet.
Wrong.
Quiet. Don't speak.
Because they lied.
Be quiet, I said.
They lied.
I'm not lying. I said be quiet. You understand me?
They lied.
All right, I'm holding you in contempt, and you're going to be sentenced to jail for 10 days. Now, if you open up your mouth again, and you need to stay on topic here. All right? You're going to go to jail for 10 days right now. I'm going to have you tested by the probation department.
Okay, so...
And then we'll decide what's going to happen.
I already failed a drug test. They already did a mental health assessment when I got out on the terms of the first time I went out. Or I got out when I first originally got out.
Miss Coulter, you're disrupting this proceeding.
I promise you, I'm trying not to be like that.
Yeah,
but it's in black and white. It's right there.
All right.
I highlighted it. Then I identified within the first 3 lines.
I don't even know what you're talking about because it has nothing to do with what we're here for today.
The police officer that arrested me, it was wrongful arrest, and then I had 5 cops on me.
All right, you have an attorney.
I had 5 cops on me.
Miss Coulter, you have an attorney.
I wasn't even I didn't even touch that girl. It was my only form of defense.
Take her into custody, put a cuff on her. You're going to jail, and we're gonna have you
That was
tested.
my only four.
I want you to-
test me, you already did. So what?
Has she been drug tested today?
I'm not on fucking drugs today. I have a headache
That's
because
enough,
of a
Miss
serial
Fuller.
killer. That's fucking, I don't even know where he's at.
Way back.
I don't care about shit.
Mr. Kirk, I think you need to file a request to have this defendant evaluated for mental health. I think
I need surgery so they don't get fucked with.
you want to help her.
I don't need to be in jail. No, I'm not fucking crazy. Shotgun is fucking, I swear to God! I'm not on fucking drugs like that. It's wrong. You're expecting these cops to be out here fucking doing this shit to people? When it's a conflict of interest, I want a new trial. It is. I swear to fucking God. I hate every fucking person in this fucking courtroom. That ain't a fucking giant. That ain't a fucking giant. Just because I pointed it out black and white.
All right. No, go ahead. Mr. Kirk, if you would, I was trying to say this, I don't know if you heard me or not. I'm sure you have mentioned it already. Obviously, she needs a mental health evaluation.
Based on this and then also some other information that was presented
Yeah. Yeah. Are they on their way? Well, next time he leaves like that, let me know, because I did not know. I knew I was going to have her taken in custody. I didn't know he wasn't here. All right. So, 10 days contempt,
I don't leave my house because of this man.
and then file your evaluation.
Comment your opinion, like the video, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments.
The courtroom instantly turned chaotic when a defendant accused of probation violations appeared visibly unstable and unable to follow the judge's orders. What began as a routine hearing about failed drug tests and missed treatment appointments quickly spiraled after she started arguing about wrongful arrest claims and accusing police of lying. The judge repeatedly warned her to stop interrupting, but she continued talking over everyone in the courtroom while growing more emotional and aggressive. Moments later, the judge snapped and sentenced her to 10 days in jail for contempt right in the middle of the hearing. Even as deputies moved in, she kept screaming that she was not on drugs and blamed her behavior on being assaulted before court. By the end, both the judge and her own attorney believed the situation had escalated beyond simple defiance and called for a full mental health evaluation.